Mandalas belong to the subject of diagrammatic art, and within that we have charts, we have many different types, astrological, medical, we have just didactic kind of drawings, shall we say, of things such as shamatha meditation, calm abiding meditation. We have drawings of all of the paraphernalia, clothing, and belongings of monks. We have all different types of art, but one of the larger sections of diagrammatic art is mandalas, and mandalas again have many, many different types. We really have to divide mandalas into two main topics right away, and the first is mandala-like paintings, and then deity mandala paintings. So mandala-like paintings, these are all different types of shapes, and they can be astrological, very rarely medical. They can be Pure Lands, Amitabha's Pure Land, Shambhala Pure Land. Many different types of subjects can fall under this mandala-like painting. Now, for deity paintings, we have also many different types based on the deities themselves, and then also based on the shape of the mandala. So maybe we can divide it by symmetrical concentric is one type, asymmetrical is another, complex multi-mandalas is a third, upright figure mandalas is a fourth. Now these are dealing with the figures that populate the mandala. Then in terms of shape and general form, then we have round, square, semicircular, and then triangular. And these also relate to the four activities, the four tantric activities, which we have in tantric theory. They also relate to color. They also can relate to direction. So there's a number of different symbolic meanings that can be happening and that can be overlapping with each other. Now, for the complex multi-mandalas, now if you're worried that you haven't heard this term before, well, possibly it's because I kind of made it up yesterday. I was analyzing a number of different mandalas that are not overly common. The main mandalas we have are the symmetrical concentric, starting with a point in the middle and then having concentric circles moving outward, and then that is contained within a square enclosure, and then that ultimately is within a round circle, and then multicolored flames around that. So, but for a certain number of mandalas, we actually have this new concept of complex multi-mandalas. And what they are is they're simply mandalas where you have the square enclosure shape, and then you have the outer circle around that. But in the center of the square enclosure, you actually have 5 distinct separate mandalas, or you can have 6, or you can have 9. Now, it's possible that there are more other than these, but these are just the 5, 6, and 9 are the ones that I've been working with within the Sarma and the Nyingma traditions. So the complex multi-mandalas are really mandalas within mandalas, and there's very few of them. We have Hevajra, the Hevajra 5 families combined. We have the Buddha Sama Yoga, which has 6 mandalas, and all of the deities within each of the 6 mandalas are different from each other. Unlike the Hevajra 5 deities, 5 families deities combined, where essentially all of the 5 mandalas look the same, except the color is different and the hand attributes are different. Then we have the Chakra Samvara, the 6 Chakravartin mandalas, and they all look basically the same in terms of these 6. Then we have Kalachakra, we have Tattva Samgraha, Vajrashikara, and then we have the odd Nyingma mandala, which has 9 mandalas in it. So just an introduction here to the complexity of mandalas. Press the like button, you can subscribe, and you can also support the work we do by joining HAR on Patreon.